Welcome to Draw with Bunny. Today we are going to draw a very cute and yummy pineapple. So let's get started. In the first step, I will draw the fruit part of our pineapple. For that, I will be drawing an oval shape starting from this point, going all the way up, slowly and steadily like this, then moving down, then going upward, slowly and steadily like this, and meeting at the starting point. Our first step is now complete. In the second step, I will draw some crisscross patterns on a cute pineapple. For that, I will start drawing some lines from this point like this and moving down and meeting the other side. Again, another line, moving down and meeting the other side. Now repeating this step, moving all the way to the opposite side. This would be our last line. Here we go. Now I will start drawing the same lines but from a different direction, so they crisscross. Moving all the way to the other side like this. Again, drawing a line straight, moving all the way down to the other side. Again, meeting this point. Here we go. Our second step is now complete. In the third step, I will draw some cute spars inside these diamond shapes. So let's get started. Our pineapple have some cute bumps inside, so these spots will be just like those cute bumps. We'll be making each spot for each diamond shape. Just right in the center. Our third step is now complete. In the fourth step, I will be making some leaves pointing out from our cute pineapple. For that, I will start drawing a curved line like this, pointing outward, and then moving down and meeting this point. Again, repeating the step from this point, a leaf pointing outward, and a curved line moving down. This part is called the crown of the pineapple. Now I will add the last pair of leaves pointing outward like this and then moving down. Repeating the step from the side, pointing outward like this and then moving down. Now in the next step, I will make my drawing a bit more prominent and I will fast forward the step. let's color our cute and yummy pineapple. For the fruit part, I will be using yellow color. And for the leaves, I will be using light green color. So let's get started. Our cute juicy pineapple is now complete. See you in the next video with another cute drawing. Bye bye.